Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for mainboard for Samsung PN64H5000AFXZA. The mainboard part number, it has several BN94-07278C, and we had to move that label. BN97-08068A. This is not the most commonly failing board in that TV. The power supply board is the one that fails the most, and we have repaired a lot of them. But in this case, the main board was bad, and it could actually be measured on the data signals on one of the two HDMI ports. I don't remember which one. What was busted was the main processor and a couple of other small things, which often happen. Sometimes they fail, sometimes they don't. But anyhow, we had to replace that because, oddly enough, even though it doesn't fail a lot, that board is hard to find. This is how it looks now with a new processor. This is our usual HDMI player that you know. So hopefully that will be good. Don't forget, this is the board that is going to fail next. Given enough time, they are known to fail. This was probably hit by a power surge. I have not seen those boards fail before. I have not seen many Samsung main boards from that generation fail the main processors for reason other than external power surge. And if there was an external power surge, you would know, because usually what's on the other side of that HDMI, which would usually be a cable or satellite box or whatever else, would also be fried. So this is the solution. If you want, you can send the board. I mean, and that customer will be happy if you're watching that video and you have a similar problem with that. Otherwise, this is one of the latest models, plasma models from Samsung. It wasn't very expensive, but it has a pretty darn good quality. And I say only the Panasonics from the same generations, in my opinion, do have better picture. But that's about it. Hopefully it helps the owner. Hopefully it will help others who watch the video. Thank you very much. If you want to find links for the repair, look in the description of the video. Have a good luck.